Hey there! Welcome to my video on how to make money online as a beginner by doing affiliate marketing. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, here's a crucial tip. Success in affiliate marketing isn't just about pushing products, it's about adding value, being genuine and establishing trust with your audience. So, if you're ready to break free from conventional limitations, dive head first into an online business with minimal barriers to entry and unleash your potential to earn significant income while leveraging the power of affiliate marketing. Then this video is your ultimate guide. Markets, tech and consumer behaviors constantly evolve. Adapting to these changes is essential for your long-term success. So let's explore how to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey while keeping these fundamental principles in mind. The right niche. So when diving into the world of affiliate marketing, choosing the right niche acts as your foundational step. Picture it like investing in stocks, except your asset. Here is your niche. Begin by narrowing your focus. Think of it as diversifying your investment portfolio. For example, if you're passionate about fitness, delve deeper into a specific area within it, such as yoga for beginners or travel-friendly bodyweight workouts. Now let's talk strategy. Think of market research as your due diligence. Use tools to gauge trends, but don't stop there. Dive into forums, social groups, and online communities within your chosen niche. What's the vibe? What are people struggling with or seeking solutions for? Understanding these pain points and desires becomes your ticket to success. Let us discuss evergreen versus trending niches. Imagine evergreen niches like blue chip stock, steady and reliable, such as health, wealth, or relationships. They offer consistent demand. On the flip side, trending niches are like high-risk, high-reward stocks. They might bring quick income spurts, but could also fluctuate unpredictably. Remember, just like in financial planning, diversification matters. A mix of both evergreen and trending niches can create a well-balanced affiliate portfolio, providing stability and potential growth. And that's the first step in our journey to mastering affiliate marketing. Offers. When it comes to selecting affiliate offers, think of it as assembling your investment portfolio, just like diversifying between stocks. Here's how to build a well-rounded selection. Start with the diversity of offer types. It's not just about digital products. Consider subscriptions, courses, memberships, or services offering recurring commissions. This mix stabilizes your income, much like varying stocks in a portfolio. Quality matters, just like in financial markets. Prioritize products or services you genuinely believe in. Think of it as investing in companies with strong fundamentals. Test the products yourself or dive into user reviews to ensure they match your audience's expectations. This builds trust, just like credible companies attract long-term investors. Networking and affiliate marketing is akin to networking in finance. Engage with affiliate managers or product creators. It's like building connections with financial analysts or company CEOs. These relationships might lead to exclusive offers, higher commissions, or extra promotional resources, enhancing your overall campaign strategy. In simpler terms, it's like choosing diverse investments that you trust and believe in, aiming for stable returns and potential growth. So assembling your affiliate offers is similar to crafting a well-balanced investment portfolio. Diverse, credible, and potentially rewarding. This step marks our journey into mastering the art of affiliate marketing. Before we proceed, sometimes the best ideas strike when you're in the middle of absorbing something new. Take a moment. What's popping up in your mind right now? Any thoughts, questions, or light bulb moments? Sharing your perspective can add a whole new layer to this conversation. Making your brand identity. Start with brand consistency. It's like maintaining a consistent investment strategy over time. Ensure your branding across your website, social profiles, and content stays coherent. Consistency builds trust, just like consistent financial habits build credibility. Next up, mobile optimization is your equivalent of diversifying your investment portfolio. In today's digital landscape, a significant chunk of online traffic flows through mobile devices. Designing your website and landing pages to be mobile-friendly is like expanding your investment reach to different markets. It broadens your audience base. Now let's talk content. Your financial portfolio's performance report offers valuable, relevant and engaging content on your website. This content is your tool to establish yourself as a credible source in your niche. Think of it as delivering insightful financial advice that people trust. It's about providing value consistently. So creating your brand in affiliate marketing mirrors building a strong financial portfolio. Consistency, diversification and delivering valuable content are key components that can solidify your presence and credibility in the market. And that's our step towards mastering the affiliate marketing game. Scaling your business in affiliate marketing mirrors expanding your investment portfolio. Start with data-driven decisions, much like analyzing market trends for informed investment choices. Dive into campaign data, tracking, conversions, audience behavior and engagement metrics using analytics tools. It's like studying financial indicators to make strategic moves. Consider outsourcing and delegating tasks similar to diversifying your investments through various avenues as your business grows. Outsourcing tasks like content creation or social media management is like diversifying your investment portfolio by allocating resources across different asset classes. Hiring virtual assistants to handle routine tasks frees up your time. Just like financial advisors, managing specific aspects of your investments, networking and partnerships in affiliate marketing resemble collaborations in finance. Engage with influencers or affiliates within your niche, akin to forming strategic partnerships. In the financial world, joint ventures, co-marketing efforts or cross-promotions work as diversified investment opportunities, significantly expanding your reach and potential returns. So scaling your business in affiliate marketing is like expanding and diversifying your investment portfolio. Using data, insights, outsourcing tasks and forming strategic partnerships contribute to broadening your reach and maximizing potential growth. Moving closer to mastering the dynamics of affiliate marketing, experiment with an agency. This one is just an optional step, but you should be thinking about establishing an agency in affiliate marketing, like expanding your investment portfolio to include diverse ventures. First up, build authority within your niche, just like establishing credibility in the financial world. Create top-notch content, speak at events or contribute guest posts to position yourself as a go-to expert. Consider broadening your services beyond affiliate marketing, akin to diversifying your investment portfolio. Offer consulting, coaching, or even your own courses to meet your audience's needs diversely. It's like exploring different financial opportunities for potential growth. Client relationships are key, whether in marketing or finance. If transitioning to an agency, focus on stellar service, much like providing excellent financial advice, prioritize client needs, offer exceptional service and seek feedback for continuous improvement, fostering strong, lasting relationships. This optional step could further solidify your position in mastering the intricacies of affiliate marketing. And that's a wrap for today's journey into mastering the art of making money flow in the digital realm. Remember,